Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Ashia Williams with us. Miss Ashia is a native of Indiana, but currently resides in LA. She's a graduate of Howard University with a major in chemistry and has worked in the financial services and pharmaceutical industry. She is a dog mom to a Cavapoo and the aunt of 15 nieces and nephews. And today we're going to be discussing how trading correlates with your financial goals. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ashia, can you explain what risk tolerance is and why it's so important to understand it before starting to trade?
Yes. So risk tolerance is pretty much how much you're willing to risk or tolerate before closing out of a trade. Like how much can you tolerate? And the reason why it's important that you understand and know this is because a lot of traders, especially new traders, will over leverage their accounts and they'll say like, oh, I'm gonna do this 0.1 lot size, and I'm going to risk basically $1 for every single pip that moves. So say you're trading an indice, which is like, the Dow, the S&P 500 or something like that. You're trading an indice, the NASDAQ, and indices move drastically. They're very volatile. So if that drops, 100 pips, then you pretty much just lost $100 in just a split second. And if your account only has $200, then it's like, wow, I just lost a large portion of my account, over 50%. So you really want to understand leverage and your risk tolerance, because sometimes you can use too big of a lot size, pretty much risking $1 per pip. And you're trading in indices is probably not the wisest decision to make. You probably will want to risk more like 10 cents. And that way, if it moves 100 pips, you only lose $10, which is way more tolerable than for a $200 account versus, 0.1. So you really have to understand, okay, right now I have X amount of dollars in my account. I'm only willing to risk, 20% of that a day. So you have, and then from there you can calculate, okay, based on me only wanting to risk 20% of this account per day, that I need to do this lot size. And that is how a good trader will become profitable, is the risk tolerance.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.